Welcome to Sarah Mo's knitting journey. Here's a knitting tip for you. Focus here is on casting off. Again, just wrap the yarn around your little finger. And what you're going to do is you're going to knit the stitch, then you're going to knit the second stitch, and then you're going to bring that over the top. That is cast off. Some people call it bind off. I will call it cast off. That is what I was taught. So again, just knit the stitch and bring that over. Knit the stitch, pass that stitch over. And what you've got is a nice smooth side. I always recommend casting off on the right side. This is the right side of this knitting, that's the wrong side. It just provides you a nice little edge at the top for your cast off. So that's cast off. So if you like my video, please subscribe and ring the bell. You can also find me on other social media platforms. So please subscribe for more of Sarah Mo's knitting tips and pattern tutorials.